What's up, guys? Good morning. I am super tired. I woke up at 4:45 to get ready to come down an hour away from my house to the Hot Wheels event. My allergies ain't getting any better. I took a Claritin and drank a Monster and I'm still pretty messed up. You can see the line right there. It's pretty crazy. I can't really see what's going on. I've been sitting here for quite a bit. I think they're just verifying everybody and parking everyone where they need to be, so we'll see how that goes. 30 minutes later or so, we're still in line. Some progress, we're moving. They're staging a lot of cars for the guest judges and all that stuff, so I think that's the reason why there's so much traffic. But fair warning, anyone that has headers and no cats, you will suffocate in your car if you let it run and just sit there. Just turn it off, you're good. Because right now I am dying. Oh, I can't breathe. Quick update, been in line for more than an hour. I've been up since 4, it's 8 o'clock. Problem is, there's no organization here at all. There's literally regular ass cars in the line with us, and they should have been weaved off to let the people that actually got into the show, the one that actually got accepted, to get in line. Everyone's in here. This is the section that we're all gonna park. It looks filled up. There's still like another good 50 cars, customized cars, in line. I've been waiting on one entrance, and then back here, there's a back entrance that people were sliding into. I don't know how today's gonna go, to be honest with you, but either way, I'm here for one thing, is to show off the car in any way I can, and two, I want to pick up some new Hot Wheels, because apparently they brought like a crap load of pallets here, and I need to get some of the new stuff, so I can't leave here empty-handed, that's for sure. Well guys, finally parked. I actually just parked right in the middle of the show. It's really crowded. I think there's a lot of general regular cars in here that not supposed to be in here, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. There she is, parked up. It's my buddy Bobby's S15. Got a lot of sick cars out here. Woo. We'll check out more later. Boy, guys, I'm in the car. Show's over. Like I said, it was 8 to 12. It was really fun. I love this car meet, this car show, whatever you want to call it, because there's so much diversity, and that's what I really love. I love that there's so much diversity in this whole entire experience of Florida. I'm tired of going to car meets with just same same wide body stance crap that we always see. It's just, that fad needs to die out. What you really have to appreciate about these car meets are these builds. People spend time to build these cars. They don't have money to just throw it in there off the bat, 2 months, 3 months, whatever the hell, and build a car that, and they expect to win all the trophy and get magazine features. These guys took years to build these cars, and it's just something to appreciate. I don't even think I deserve to be in the same parking lot with some of these cars because I'm just technically a built bolt-on car. I mean, I can't even say built. I had an argument with someone years ago saying that my car was built and it wasn't. I squashed it. You can feel whatever you want towards me. It's been years. I agree with you now. My car's not built, you know? I just bought a bunch of stuff and threw it on here. It makes sense. But to me, it's my own car and I put it the way I wanted to. But these other cars are built. You got Beetles here, fully decked out with their own customized personalities. And it's just so cool. All these older cars that I don't even know the name of, but you just know they deserve a lot more than just, you know, that's nice. You gotta really appreciate that. So this kind of me opened my eyes a little bit. Definitely gonna change my way of building cars, and I just think it's kind of sick. So I'm leaving now. I didn't get much footage. Like I said, it's really hot today. Having this point and shoot camera in my pocket was just too dreadful. So I hope I got enough footage, and yeah, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Just stay tuned for tomorrow. Maybe I'll make something else.